Hello everyone, today we are demonstrating the working of Emergency Control Panel commissioned at Tiptur Railway Station of Mysore Division in South Western Railways. Tiptur Station is a typical double-line 4-road station with 2 traffic LC gates, MEDA dual VDU electronic interlocking with UFSBI interface along with GG Tronics HASS DAC. Let's begin the Emergency Control Panel demonstration. S&T staff received a message that Tiptur station both VDU panel are in blank condition and SM is unable to deal trains. S&T staff checked the system in relay room but unable to restore the failure. Now it has been decided to introduce emergency control panel to avoid train detentions. Now we will explain the entire setup and procedure to introduce the emergency control panel. Entire setup consists of the following parts. Number 1. Emergency Control Panel ECP. It acts as interface for SM just like a NI panel. It is kept in relay room and now we are extended it to SM room through a 40-core indoor cable with Phoenix make connectors at both ends. It includes LSS, home, 2 numbers traffic LC gates, and track circuit indications for LSS and calling on, etc. Number 2. Relay rack interface. This is an independent relay rack made for independent interlocking arrangements for emergency control panel. It consists of around 46 relays. Number 3. Emergency changeover panel. It takes care of all wiring arrangements and interconnections. All types of input and output connections are pre-wired here and kept in the form of various connectors. As you can see, it consists of 4 types of connectors. Simulation panel arrangement is also provided here for initial simulation testing. First coupler is used for interfacing field gear input and output like TPRs, signals, BPAC, VPRs, LC gate functions from CT rack. Next 2 couplers are used for interfacing up and down UFSBI as here panel is interlocked with block interface. Fourth is used for interfacing with relay rack and emergency control panel. Now, we will connect all 4 male couplers with female couplers in the emergency changeover panel one by one. To power on the emergency control panel and relay rack, we have to connect 24-volt DC fuse and 110-volt AC fuse provided in WAGO terminals on relay rack. Now we have shifted emergency control panel to SM room by extending 40-core indoor cable. Now we will connect input-output coupler and system is ready for use. The entire arrangement may take only 10 to 15 minutes of time. Emergency control panel is also interlocked with UFSBI. All indications on UFSBI are available with line closed condition. Now, sending station has taken line clear and sent a train on normal block working. Block indication now is in TOL condition and section is occupied in HASS DAC. Train has come on calling on track and waiting at home signal. After ensuring points on main line are clamped and locked in normal position and LC gate G1 is closed. Home signal is cleared. Now you can see train arrival on berthing main line is simulated on emergency control panel. Now block comes to line closed condition for normal working. Now a train is ready for dispatch through emergency control panel. SM has taken a line clear and TGT indication established on block panel. Now SM has cleared the LSS and train dispatches. Now train has entered in block section and TOL indication appeared on block panel. After complete arrival of train at receiving station, line closed indication appears on block panel for normal working. Thank you for watching.